Hey everyone, it's Tuesday workshop time, and today we are doing a little bit of a beauty DIY session. So we've got all the ingredients here to make a bronzer for your face, and we'll also talk about how you can maybe do a natural blush as well. Now these are all edible, but they're also good for your face. So to start, you need a bit of a base. So arrowroot or tapioca flour is what you're going to use, and that's really good for coverage, and it also brings the moisture up so that the active ingredients can get to those few layers of your skin. So they use it in cosmetics and talcum powder as well. Then we've got some cacao. So you basically have to add what you think is going to be good for your complexion. So there's no set recipe, you really just do a bit of trial and error. And cinnamon gives you a little bit more of an orangey kind of, I guess, shade. And then you mix it together and you see how it sort of has the little white flecks, and then slowly it combines and you get in this case a pale brown, but you might go have a darker brown or a really lighter brown. And for me that's a little bit too light, so I'm going to go maybe a little bit more cinnamon and a touch of cacao. You could also use cocoa powder for that, and then you give it a little blend, and that's pretty much your bronzer right there, and you could use that as is. If you want to test it, like any makeup, just on the hand, and you can see that the powder kind of gives it that little bit of coverage and gets in there, so I'm happy with that. If you want your bronzer to be a little bit more sparkly, there are some things you can use. So something called mica, you can get that in different shades, gold, yellow, pink, sort of across the board depending on what you want to make. You do have to buy it probably in packaging, so that might be something you want to avoid, or you could go bulk and share with your friends. And then you also have to consider that it is a mined item, so the issues around mining, it's up to you, you can do your research. So this one is a pink one, but it kind of works in this bronzer just because we don't use much of it, and it gives it a little bit of a glitter, and then you can use that as your eyeshadow as well. If you wanted to make a blush, you could add the pink mica into some arrowroot, and then you pretty much got blush. You could also go even more natural, and what we've done here is we've got some beetroot powder where we've dehydrated some beetroot into crisps, and then once they're hard, we blitz them around, so a coffee grinder, a spice grinder,